everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video lesson about scales without units. All right. Now the key word for this lesson is without. All right. So take a look at this. It says, notice that the above scale does not have units such as inches, feet, or meters. So all this says is just the ratio is 1 to 50, right? It doesn't say 1 inch to 50 feet or 1 inch to 50 yards. All it says is just 1 to 50, so it doesn't have any units at all. So when you see this, the ratio shows the relationship between the scale drawing, okay, and the actual object. All right, so the first number, all right, is used for the scale drawing, and that's highlighted in red. And then the second number is used to represent the actual object, okay, in real life, which is in green. So this means that every unit of length, the scale drawing is multiplied by 50 to find the corresponding measurement of the actual object. All right. So let's say, for example, if we have a measurement and the actual measurement measures 2 inches, right? That means we'd multiply it by 50 to get the actual. A scale unit with units can be expressed as a scale without units by converting one measurement in the scale into the same unit as the other. All right. So let's talk about this a little bit. So look at this first ratio here. It says 1 inch to 200 feet. So notice that the units are different. This one is inch and this one is feet. All right. But notice down here, it says inch to inches. It's the same unit, right? So the way we converted that, right, is we know that there's 12 inches and 1 foot, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 200 and multiply it by 12 to get the number of inches, right? So when I do 200 times 12, that gives us 2,400, all right? And that's where that number right there comes from. So now notice it says now 1 inch to 2,400 inches. Now once you have the same units, you can now remove the units to now say 1 to 2,400. All right, so let's apply what we just learned to this problem, okay? It says, Naomi drew a plan of an enclosed dog park at a scale of 1 to 50. On her drawing, one side of the dog park measured 6 inches. What is the actual measurement of the side of the dog park? All right, so we want to figure out the actual measurement. Express your answer in inches and feet. All right. So again, what we know is the ratio is 1 to 50. Okay. The 1 is the scale drawing, right? And then 50 is the actual. And what we know is that one of these sides is 6 inches, right? So if I multiply 6 times 50, right, that'll give us 300. So when using inches, I can say the ratio is for every 6 inches, the actual will be 300 inches. All right. But they also want the answer expressed in feet. All right. Now, I'm going to write over here. I know that for every 1 foot, there's 12 inches. All right. So what I'm going to say is for every 1 foot of the scale drawing, we need to figure out, okay, how many feet are in 300 inches. So if I do 300 and I divide it by 12, I get 25. So the ratio would be 1 foot for every 25 feet in real life. And there you go.